of course, get the mulberries from the tree. Oh, hawak mo na. I'm teaching my daughter how to vlog, guys. So, hawak. Ano, gusto mo disiplinahin na muna? Huwag mahulog. 2 hands. Iwawash. Sabi mo.
First is gonna wash. Hello, Kasaya. Do you want some mulberry? Okay, first wash the mulberry. It's alright.
Don't worry, guys. We're not abusing the baby. Babad na muna natin. Wait lang po. Kumain na ni Mami. Wait. Wait. Dito na, bebe. Ano? Uy, sorry man. Okay na. Excuse, bebe.
Ikaw na.
Babad mo muna. Okay, the next step, guys, is to... Anong English ng baba? Let the blueberry fruits stay there. I mean, the mulberry.
Mommy, look at this. The plate. I mean, the crystal glass.
Can you please press the white? Yung white na circle. Yung white na circle. Ayun sa gilid. Press. Okay, good. Wow. The second is eat. Wait lang. Ayan. Ambay. Alisin mo muna kasi kamay mo. Sige na. Ay, gusto kong kurutin. Pasensya na, guys. That's the real us. Sige, go. Ayan. Pili ka na. Gusto mo.
Black.
Kumuha ka na ng sarili mo. Asan? Hindi ka sweet. Hindi sweet na. Dapat darker. Wala lang kasi hindi natin abot yung darker. Hindi lang mo ma. Baka makain niya. Huwag na.
Then this is sour.
Sour. But it's nice, guys. It's full of vitamin C. Oh no, the rep. Eat ka pa. It's good for health. Thanks for watching! Bye for now! Wala ko lang guys. Wow! Pag ganito, ano siya? Red na red. Oh.